What up YouTube? What's going on? Welcome to my channel, Rags to Wealth, and in today's video I'm going to show you 2 ways to make money with ClickFunnels and how to get started right away. So stay tuned. Alright guys, before we begin, first I want to introduce myself. My name is Luis Antonio and I'm an online entrepreneur. I've been making money online for the past 6 years and I was able to quit my job and run my own business from home. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to make money with ClickFunnels. Now I'm going to give you my first one, which is my #1 recommended way, and it's called the Success Challenge, where you will be going through a step-by-step guide that'll show you how to become an independent affiliate marketer by selling other people's products and programs. And not only that, you will be able to set up your multiple streams of income where you will not only be getting paid by ClickFunnels without spending a single dime out of your pockets or promoting the company, but also you will be getting paid by other companies. That's my #1 recommended way. My second one is called Funnel Builder. It's a training course provided by the company itself, ClickFunnels. So I left those links below in the description box if you want to go check that out. Now I'm going to show you how to sign up for a ClickFunnels account so that you can get started right away. So if you like this video so far, guys, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Show me a little bit of support. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below and I'll try to answer your questions as soon as possible. So let me show you how to sign up for an account. So you want to go to option 2, right? And open up your free ClickFunnels account. Once you do that, you want to go to your right hand right here and click on, what is wrong with this? Okay, click on affiliates and you will be taken to your affiliate dashboard. Now as you can see, I've been making money with ClickFunnels, but I did this going through the Success Challenge without promoting or spending a dime out of my pockets promoting this company or other companies. All I had to do was set up my multiple streams of income, and that is going to be shown to you once you start the Success Challenge. So you can click the link below and go check that out, guys. I do recommend it. That's my #1 recommended way. As you can see, I've made over $4,830 with ClickFunnels. Now once you go to your ClickFunnels dashboard, affiliate dashboard, you want to click on affiliate tools, and right here you will be able to read all about the ClickFunnels affiliate program. You can also go through an affiliate bootcamp where it'll show you how to create a funnel, and they will explain to you more details on how to make money with ClickFunnels. And so let me show you my second way of making money with ClickFunnels. Once you have your dashboard, once you create your free ClickFunnels account, you want to go scroll down and click on Funnel Builder, get access now. Once you do that, you're going to come to this page right here and you want to create your free account. You don't have to pay anything, and then you can go through the training course and they will teach you exactly how to build a profitable funnel for your business to start generating commissions for ClickFunnels. So thanks for watching, guys. Those are my 2 ways of how to make money with ClickFunnels. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you have any questions about how to become an affiliate marketer, how to make money online, or you have any questions about ClickFunnels or any of these training courses that I recommended to you, please leave your questions down below and I'll get to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.